Week 10. This week covers the last chapter, at least as far as the Cisco NetAcad part of it. So next week we'll be prepping for the final, taking the final, and then right after spring break we'll start off the test prep version. So I want to remind you to get that test prep textbook, tongue twister there, CCNA in 60 days, and we'll be going through that. It'll probably require you a little bit more time. You're probably spending more on this, but I think in the long run, it'll prep you for the exam better than anything else I've found in a long time. So this week I'm posting the Quizlet key terms, 3-packet tracer, and of course the chapter exam. So hopefully we can put this part of the book to bed, and then we'll get on to testing for the final and getting you ready for the CCE&TI. If you have any questions, you know how to get a hold of me. Text, email, stop by my office, whatever pleases you. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.